Welcome back to another vlog. It's almost 1 o'clock. Having a little light protein style lunch. You guys know the ones from Starbucks. It's like the protein box that has the crackers. No, not crackers, bread, peanut butter, cheese, apple, egg, and then well, added this one. It's a 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. Kind of like my pre-workout meal slash lunch. Where are my manners? Hi, hello, how are you guys? Just been in this whole cleaning mode ever since like 2 in the morning last night. I woke up and was like, you know what, I want to rearrange the room, organize things, not really declutter, but just like organize everything because it was way out of control. So we do have some things organized already, but we're still working on it. The main purpose for switching things up, I guess this would be the backstory, is because this container, which holds all the lip products, was on my vanity table. But the problem is that in the morning, the sun shines right through since it is now daylight savings, and that's not good for the lipstick. I'm going to change out this light, which is a pink neon speech bubble sign. I'm going to take that out. Oh, there we go. I was wondering why it was so dark. It's because I had the lens filter over the camera lens. This is basically today's agenda: to clean up, get everything organized, hopefully film. I still haven't gone through emails and such, which I still need to do, but priority is definitely getting this area good so that we are ready to film. Just eat my little protein style lunch and yeah, we'll get to organizing. It's about 6 o'clock. I did not think it would take that long, but it really took the whole afternoon to really organize everything. It doesn't look as messy as it did earlier. First start with the neon sign because I couldn't figure out where to put it. Jonathan and Darren are completely gonna mess with me because we have this. Hopefully this is picking up on camera, but at our door, if I'm filming, I'm gonna be turning on this neon sign, which I believe this was from Ross. It was like $10.99. Really inexpensive. You can write on here. I just put filming in progress with a smiley face. I thought this would be a cute idea because I wasn't sure exactly where to put the neon sign. Wanted to do something a little bit different. And also, this is USB powered, plugged into a portable charger, which just goes right up here above the jewelry organizer cabinet. For this area, I'm not really sure how I feel about it, so we might switch it up, and just don't mind the mess over there and over here on the bed. Switch things around. So of course we still have the Hello Kitty candle. This other candle, which was given by Christine, I will link her channel down below. Just added the golden camera on top, so it works for now. It's not a for sure thing, but we'll just leave it. Moving over to the vanity table, this whole area is so much better. It was a big disaster, especially underneath the vanity table. We'll take a look at in a second, but on this side are just all the dirty brushes, and then the clean brushes in this Hello Kitty container, and then some additional brushes. The Aroma Retail wax warmer. Switch off between this and their oil diffuser, so really depends on the mood that I'm in. Given by Darren and Julia, it's a little humidifier, very cute, and it's also quiet. You can't hear anything. I believe they got this from Miniso. Flower arrangement that was over by the mirror. Decided to put it here for a change since the lipsticks, all the lip products were getting the morning sun. Just switched out from this area to over here all of the jewelry. Made everything fit by just taking out the saucer for the teacup. My everyday jewelry, some jewelry I've worn recently. I have this thing about covering jewelry so that it doesn't tarnish, especially when it's by a window, so I just kind of have it laid out here. Just plugged in the Apple Watch charger so I can charge my Apple Watch here at night. Nice little change, much needed. Up here are just some stiletto heels with 2 Kate Spade purses, a tote, and then another satchel. This area has more of the purses, mostly Kate Spade, Rebecca Minkoff. This one my aunt handcrafted, and it says my name in Baybayin, which is an old Filipino dialect, in a blush pink. So, you know, we have that up there. So just some purses. This shelf is basically just all perfume, body sprays. So we have everything categorized. Really wanted to display this iridescent rose. Wasn't sure what to do with it, so we're just leaving it here, which I think will look pretty in the background, you know, since anyway it's kind of defocused. Shelf holds all of the setting sprays, the lip products, and then these are some brushes for display. These are the Hello Kitty Shein brushes. These are just so pretty, so I want to just keep them for display. And then in this box are more of like hairpins, Kate Spade wallets. Here's another Kate Spade wallet, their strawberry collection. So just put that in there so I can switch out the wallets easily. Down here are the lotions, hair products, more hair products, and then some bronzing, self-tanning, and oils for the body. So it's all here in these containers, which are from Five Below. I think they're $4 each, and they're light pink. And then at the very bottom are all of the camera equipment and also the gimbal on the side. And of course we have the miniature X2 roller coaster, which one of my favorite rides at the park. Just don't mind that blue stain because I spilled nail polish a long time ago on the carpet. Decided to kind of keep it clear just for slippers, house slippers, and these vintage Juicy Couture thong sandals for the side table. This is the little dish for all of the nighttime skincare products. So these are the ones I'm currently using right now. The Ariana Grande Cloud base, which is you know, we use this as a phone holder. Depotted this candle, the frosted cupcake, and it's just so pretty. Like, you don't want to throw it away because it's you can see it's like a little bit iridescent. So I just depotted it, and then we just kind of store some of the charging cables in here. So it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of hidden. Still makes a nice little display storage container. So we just have it all here on the side table. Let's move on to the area underneath the vanity table, because this was the area that was so messy. This is all makeup products for giveaways, and this one's skincare. Then at the very top, actually, this should be makeup, but there's like a skincare product in there. These are products I want to try out. Another basket all the way back there. And then another basket of items that I want to test out and stuff for a monthly favorites video, which I didn't get to for the month of February. So there will be a lot for the month of March. Beat bibs, which are wonderful. So they protect your clothing whenever you're applying your makeup. This is a container for just hair, like bobby pins, bows, stuff like that. These are backup brushes. And then underneath are dirty brushes, are all of the hair tools, curling wands, extensions, ponies, stuff like that. So keep everything in there. We also have the mirror, which I use daily. And then behind it, products from Aroma Retail, their candle wax, and also their oil. So I just keep it in this container. And then back there in this bag are empty products. So that's for an upcoming video. We haven't even filled it up yet, so we're still working on it. Let's move over to the desk area. Right now we kind of have it positioned as a sit desk, not a standing desk. We do have a little bit of a modification, and that being this stand. It's a laptop stand. Darren was using this, but then he didn't need it anymore. Hesitant to use it just because I know this is gonna sound silly because it's not pink, but then you know what, it works, and it's a lot easier because before the laptop was like really low, so you'd have to always kind of look up, right? But at least now it's a little bit more level, not completely level, but it works. A few weeks ago, ended up ordering these iridescent shelves. It's a pack of 2. Have some of the pop figures, the one that we made during Christmas time, and just some Hello Kitty stuff. Of course, Darren's baby footprints is a boba lamp. So we kind of moved that to this area. Even though we didn't get to do everything on the to-do list, at least this area is looking a lot better. It's clean, it's organized, and it's presentable for filming. The other thing that we need to do together is clean inside the vanity drawers, because let me tell you, they are horrendous. Thankfully, the drawers stayed clean for about 3 weeks, and then after that, it just went out the door. Darren actually made dinner. He cooks a mean steak. Like, it is delicious. I thought we would be able to work out, film, and finish cleaning all span of those hours, but no. Definitely not. Let me know if you guys have been watching this. I've been watching Bloodline, which is like a spin-off of Deadliest Catch, where Josh and Casey, they are the 2 captains for the Cornelia Marie. They're crab catchers in Alaska. Obsessed watching that show. So we binged like seasons 1 and 2, and then we watched season 17 of Deadliest Catch. So we're waiting for season 18. Hopefully there will be a season 2 of Bloodline. Darren,
yeah.
Is dinner ready?
I don't know.
The steak. I thought you cooked steak.
Yeah, oh, you didn't tell me to cook yours already because you said, oh, I don't want to eat right now.
Can you please make my steak? This is the steak that Darren cooked. I'm only gonna eat, you know, just a little portion of it, and then whoever else wants to eat can eat the rest of it. But the steaks he cooks are really, really good. I think he let it rest for a few minutes. Here's tonight's dinner. We have brown rice with citrusy garlic sprinkled on top, sauteed zucchini, string beans with tomato and some garlic and onions, and then the steak. We're playing a song game with Alexa.
Player 2. Question 5 for 40 points.
Sia?
Nice. You got the artist for 40 points. The song was Cheap Thrills by Sia. Your score is 90. Player 1 got 90 points. Player 2 got 90 points. It was a tie between players 1 and 2.
Finally, we are going to get our workout checked off the list for the day. This is like my small little space. I used to work out downstairs, but you know, this area works out just fine. And I do the workouts from Lily Sabri on YouTube. She has like some really incredible workouts. She's very encouraging. She has like all these like things that she'll kind of like shout out to keep you going. And I love the routines. So many different videos on areas to target. I've kind of found one that's been working for my body type and also my body goals or fitness goals, I guess you could say. Mine really isn't about weight loss. I would say it's more about leaning out, building lean muscle, and toning up. I have been doing her workouts off and on the past few months. Recently started being consistent again with working out. Recently, as in the past couple of weeks. Wanted to share with you really quickly before I close out the vlog, an order, oh yes, Amazon purchase. Ordered it last night, probably about like 1 in the morning, and then it arrived today. Lightning fast shipping. Do you guys know those types of fabrics for clothing when it's just not forgiving? It will show like every single curve, but maybe it's not like the most flattering. Searched up shapewear, but I didn't want one where it's like full coverage. Wanted it to still be a little bit sexy but hold you in, especially, you know, the lower pooch area. We are currently working on that area and it is getting smaller, but still need some help in that department. So found this. It's in a nude color. And it's a thong shapewear. And this one, it says no pinch shaping waistband. And then here is the back. So this part is supposed to like really hold you in. Reading the reviews, and a lot of them are saying don't size up, because if you do, then it's not gonna really like hold in that area. But other reviews said, wish I had sized up instead because it was really tight. Hopeful that this will work out. I will definitely let you guys know. We do have a try on video coming up hopefully next week, so we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. And if this one works out, it's available in a couple different colors, but I would just probably stick with like the basic, you know, the neutrals. Gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out, chit-chatting. What do you guys have planned for this upcoming weekend? Are you guys, you know, staying home? Do you guys have any plans? I think this weekend we are going to have our yard sale. Fingers crossed if the weather permits. If you're still here to the very end of the vlog, thank you. Really appreciate you. If you guys enjoyed hanging out and enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next vlog.